It's okay. Put it by her mouth. Hold on, hold on, hold on. She's going to get us some stuff so we can put it on there, okay? Okay.
You can kind of
put them under her chin. Wake up, baby. Time to eat. Tell her, wake up, sister.
Wake up! Wake up, Casey!
Yeah, you got a whole bib.
Okay.
Here's some extras if you need it. You guys enjoy being a family.
Thank you, thank you.
Call me if you need me. The call light's right behind you, okay?
Alright, honey, hold on. Casey. Casey, wake up. Okay, try to put it by her mouth. Go ahead, put it by her mouth, honey. There you go. Alright, let her taste it. Mmm, yummy. See, she's tasting it. Yeah, what do you think?
That's my foot.
It's okay. Sometimes she doesn't get it all. Alright, sit up for just a second. Let Mommy move her hand out of the way. And let me try, and then I'll let you have it back, okay? Alright, here, hold it. Hold on to it. There you go. You're feeding her. You're feeding her. Wow. What do you think?
Maybe.
You're feeding your baby.
Maybe.
Yeah. Hold it up here. There you go. Eating.
Oh, she's drinking it.
Yeah.
I'm drinking it.
She's drinking her bottle.
But we're going to eat our food, but not a bottle.
Honey, that's what her food is. Her food is a bottle.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Hold it up. Good job. You're doing such a good job. What a good big sister. Are you having fun? Gonna help Mommy take care of Casey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you're a big girl?
Nothing.
Yeah. Wow, she's taking it real good, isn't she?
Just drink it really fast.
She's drinking it really fast. Yes, she's drinking it real good. Good job, Casey Joe. Good job. It's okay. Oh, it's hard work for her to eat.
You're funny.
Yeah, she's doing a good job, right? Yeah. Do you like to feed her with the bottle?
Listen.
Are you done?
No.
Okay. Do you like to feed her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow.
It's okay. Oh, you think she likes that bottle? I do too. I think she's eating it real good. Oh, don't choke yourself. What are you doing? Okay. Are you done?
No. I'm not done yet.
Okay.
Is it all gone yet?
No, not all gone yet. You see some more in there?
You have to
Okay.
lift it higher.
Gotta pick it up a little more. There you go. Good job. You are such a good big sister, Kate Mackenzie. I love you.
I can't do it much higher.
You can't do it much higher? It's okay. Right there is good. She just needed to take a break.
Break?
Okay.
Not all the way up.
It's all right, baby. You're good.
Aren't you drinking it? No.
Wow.
I'm not sure she's drinking it.
Oh, she's drinking it.
Either.
Don't lean on her, baby. You need to sit up a little bit. There you go. Okay. I think she might be done.
What?
Oh, there she goes. She's going to drink a little more. A little more.
That's
Yep,
enough for
push
her.
it in. Push it in her mouth. There we go. How do you know that's enough? Do you think she's full?
No.
No. I'm thinking she might be getting there. I think she's spitting some of it up. Yep. It's okay, Casey.
It's okay, Casey.
It's okay. Tell her you're here.
I'm here.
right.